Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Comoros. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Comoros has uh, many thousand of people of number are unemployed and they can make money online. So to make money online without any investing and without any capital is by freelancing. So the best website for the freelancing is fiverr.com. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can just sell our services to the business owners and potential buyers. So here we can just sell. So what to sell? So we can sell the social media gigs. You can just add subtitles for a video, content writing, video editing, and many other things. We can do it. Okay. So by this we can do it. So it's a very great platform to uh, offer our services. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.